guys, welcome back. Hope you had a great weekend. And in today's video, I want to groom out my mustache and my beard with no tools, no hair dryer, no comb, no brush. Just want to use maybe just a little bit of wax and oil for the beard. So we're just mainly going to be using the hands, some cool techniques. So let's get started. Now my hair is already done. I already styled it out. So we're just pretty much going to attack the beard right now. So what I want to do is I want to take my towel. We still got a little bit of wetness going on if you guys can see. So we're just going to dry it out as much as possible. And then after that, let's start styling. All right, I think we're there. I'm probably having a little trouble right here on my chin area, which I probably could use some heat from the hairdryer, but this happens to a lot of guys. For me, it happens when I go on vacation. I might forget a comb, I might forget a brush or a styling tool that helps me out with my mustache, because my daily routine is after I'm done with my mustache, I'll take the rolling brush out and I'll roll out my beard. And it feels really weird to be styling my beard and my mustache, and then right after this, I don't have my rolling brush to roll out my beard. But I did a few techniques that you guys can use. One I think you saw was I was using my hand, my finger, my thumb, and I was pulling and pinching down my hairs, and I like to use the balm with that, because a balm or a conditioner will really help out straighten out that beard. It gives you more product to put in your hair, and I'm trying to heat it up with my hands while bringing it down, kind of giving it like a straightener effect. And 90% of that is to do with how dry your beard is. That really helps out putting in the product. And today, like I said, I used the balm, gave me a little bit more thickening agent to my hairs to really help straighten out with the heat of my hands while I pulled it down. The mustache really is, not too hard. I use my pinkies right here to pull off the side of my mustache, and then I'll use my forefinger, my thumb, and just kind of pull it off to the side. So just little techniques that I'm using to pull my beard together, when I don't have any combs, or tools. So that's where product really comes in and helps out. And maybe next video, we'll do vice versa. We'll do no products with just tools. And that's pretty much it, boys. I want to do a fun short video for you. But that way you guys know that if you're in a situation where you don't have many supplies or tools on your hands, you always have your hands to help you out. And just like I said, with some products, you actually really can bring the beard together very well. All right, so love you guys. Like and subscribe. Check me out. Love you guys like always. See ya on the flip side. See ya!